it then. So do you want to close your eyes, open your eyes for the deep breaths, or?
It's always good to do deep breaths.
I'll follow you. Very nice. So who are you? Where are you from? And what do you do?
Right, my name is Susie Stewart, and I'm called Susi Oddball as well because I'm a performer as well. And at the moment I'm retired, but I don't know whether anyone's ever told you, but when you retire you're more busy than ever. So I'm doing quite a lot of circus workshops with the table tennis club I'm involved in, and writing table tennis club. And also I've done a lot of babysitting so far for my grandson, my new grandson.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So what does living a good life mean to you?
Living a good life to me means being secure, and it means being happy as much as you can, obviously, without worrying too much about what's going on. You've still got to retain your own happiness to keep your own sanity.
Yeah.
So to me, living a good life is just being comfortable and feeling safe and being happy.
Yeah, lovely, thank you. So what intentional activity would you say has had the greatest impact in your life?
For me, it has to be juggling.
Yeah.
I once called juggling an active meditation, and that's how I feel it is. And even though I don't do as many shows as I used to, only because it's not my brain that's not working. Sometimes my body doesn't work as good as my brain. So, but I still juggle because I think that it brings me in the zone of where I want to be, which is in that active meditation. But also I have other things like table tennis and music, and also my own children, even though they can be pains, they can be very, very beautiful as well.
Lovely. And what about the community? What intentional activity do you think will make the biggest difference in your community?
Well, I've always worked with the community anyway. The intentional activities are circus workshops.
Lovely.
I would love to teach the whole world to juggle, but that's a lot.
It's a lot. It's quite a few people.
I thought about it when I was younger. I thought I could do it, and now I'm thinking, well, it's actually a big world. Even though it's got smaller with the transport, it's still a big world. But my intentional activity, is to teach people to juggle, because for me, if you're juggling, you're actually opening up your mind in lots of different ways. And you can't teach someone who doesn't want to learn to juggle. You can only teach people who want. So therefore, if they want and they do it, they have that joy in their heart. Along with, for me, juggling saved my life all my life.
Yeah. Love it, thank you. So what about a one-line message of hope for the world?
My hope for the world is that you all learn to juggle and that peace comes through it.
Oh, love it. You're about to hug. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Oh, I wanted to answer those questions as well.
Thank you.
I think you're doing a good job.
Groove.